All right, I quickly want to show you how to log in and register on ulist.com.ng. Yeah, this is ulist.com.ng, a business directory where you can promote your business or product or services. So at times, if you use this login button here and the setup and the sign up button here, at times it gives an issue. So instead of you so that you will not have such challenge, so we prefer to use this login and register button. Okay, so whether you are using your PC or you are using your mobile device, use this login and register button in case the login button here gives you an issue. So for you to register, you click on register here, then you enter your username, and you also enter your email address, then you click on register button. So it goes, so it has sent a mail. You say, please check your email, then visit login page. So at times you might not see this screen. After you click on login button, it might take you back to the home page. It still work. So for you to be sure, just check your email to be sure that you have registered. So whether you see this screen or redirects you to the home page, don't worry, just check your email address. If you see the email details, then you from there you continue. But if you don't see email details, you can come back and try to register again. So let's check email here. Okay, it's here. So this one was sent at 12:48. So this is it. So you click on this link to set your password. Click on this link. Okay, so this is an auto-generated password. I don't want to use this password because I cannot easily remember this password. So I will write my own password there. So you put your password there so that you can use it to log in anytime. So I put my password, then you confirm the use of weak password so that whatever password you put there is okay. So you click on this box, check this button. So you click on save password. Okay, good. So you have set your password now. So you click on login. Then you enter your email or password. You enter your email or username. So in this case, I will enter my username. Then I will enter my password. I will enter my password. So then click login. You can click remember me so that you can log in. You can remember your password anytime you come back. Okay, so you see now it didn't log me in. Re-log in again, it will log in. So enter your username, enter your password, click login. Good. So as you see now, I've logged in. See, this is my profile. You see this avatar. That is my profile picture. You can change your profile picture, so you can edit your profile here. Okay. But in this case, I'm not editing my profile. So this is what we want to achieve, and we have achieved it. So I've been able to log in and register and log in. So after this, the next thing is for you to add the listing. You want to submit your listing. That is the next step, and you see it in the next video. Okay, so we are done here. Thank you.